Hi, I'm Java Jesse with First Line Equipment. I hope you're doing well today. Happy Halloween! Got our trick or treat box here. We got our trick or treats in here as well. I went for some trick or treats, and let me tell you, I only got a half a bucket full. Anyways, what we're going to show you today is a little recipe in case you, your significant other, or your children, or your trick-or-treaters, or you have leftovers, you have too much candy. We're going to show you what to do with the candies today. Basically, it's going to be called the Monster Mash. And what do I mean by that? So we have some Snickers here. These are trademarks, patents, whatever you want to call them, from their respective brands. And in this case, I think it's Mars Incorporated. We have some sugar sticks, Skittles, Smarties, because I am so smart. Actually, this is covering my ears up here. I can't hear that well. Kisses. I love Kisses. And we have an assortment of other types of candies here. And what do I mean by Monster Mash? Basically, you're going to take any leftover candies or any excess candies or chocolates that you have, and you're going to mash them. And now, what do you do with them? Well, overnight or the night before, you're going to, once you mash up, say, the Snickers bar, okay, we'll take it off the wrapper. You can let it soak in a steaming pitcher and let it dissolve a little bit, mix it up a little bit, and basically we're going to make a Monster Mash Cappuccino. Let's get started. So here we have the Elektra Verve espresso and cappuccino machine. We're preloaded with our espresso ground coffee, and basically we're going to pull a shot. Now the crema could be a little bit better, but we're making a cappuccino, so we'll stop that right there. It's a little on the weak side according to my taste. Now we'll have our Snickers bar in here. We do have coconut milk, which presents a little more difficult to me for frothing, but we'll just leave the wands. And I want to kind of slow it up a little bit. And I can actually smell the Snickers bar. And you can see the milk is getting a little darker. I will get some complaints about the bigger bubbles. Okay, too hot to the touch. Pour our espresso. Let's get that little extra dollop of Snickers bar in there, and let's enjoy. Let's try this Monster Mash Cappuccino. Delicious. Try this at home. Try this in the office. Again, if you have excess candy, give it a try. Again, overnight, you might want to let this candy sit in the milk. Let it dissolve a little bit better. If not, you're going to get that dollop like I did, and enjoy your favorite cappuccino with those extra candies that you have. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jesse with First Line Equipment, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Happy Halloween.